Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Ravinder sir. Good afternoon, Diljit ma'am. Before the break, we have completed our chapter probability till question number 8. So today we are starting with question number 9, probability. Good afternoon, Diljit ma'am. Yes. Okay. So question number 9, a box contains 5 marbles, red marbles, and 8 white and 4 green marbles. And you have to take out just one marble at random out of the box. What is the probability that you will take out a red, white, or not green marble? So let us start with this. Right, what is given? Number of red marbles, that is 5. Number of white marbles, that are 8 in number, and number of green marbles, that are 4 in number. Now total outcomes are 5 plus 8 plus 4, 17. So probability of taking out a red marble, that is, just write first of all the formula, number of favorable outcomes. In a question we have to write at least one time formula that we are using. Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Favorable here are 5 and total are 17. So this is the answer. Then probability of getting a white marble, white are 8 in numbers and total are 17. Then probability of not green. Not green means it should be either white or red. Means out of the total we have to just subtract the green one. We have to not include the green marbles. So green marbles are 4 in number. So subtract 4, divide by 17, it is 13 by 17. I hope it is clear. The questions given in the chapter are easy to understand, even all the questions. Hidden. Now the next. Next, question number 10. A piggy bank contains 100 notes of 150 paisa coins. So how many 50 paisa coins are there? 100. And 50 rupee 1 coin and 20 rupee 2 coins and 10 rupee 5 coins. Okay. So rupee 1 coin, rupee 2 coins and rupee 5 coins and even 50 paisa coins. So these numbers are given this in green. When the piggy bank is turned upside down, then any of the coin will fall. Okay, then what is the probability that the coin that will fall will be a 50 paisa coin or will not be a 5 rupee coin? Okay, let us start with this. Number of 50 paisa coins are 100. Number of rupee 1 coins are 50. Number of 2 rupee coins are 20. And number of 5 rupee coins are 10. And total number of coins, that is 180. And after that, we have to find the probability that it will be 50 paisa coin. So probability of getting a 50 paisa coin that is, again, we should write the formula. And these are number of favorable outcomes, means 50 paisa coins are 100 and total are 180. So we can cut them. That is 5 by 9. And the second is will not be a 5 rupee coin. Okay, we in the second case we do not want a 5 rupee coin. Not a 5 rupee coin. Okay, removing this 5 rupee, so total number of coins are 180. Removing this 5 rupee coin, that is 10, and divide by total number. So it is 170 upon 180, which is 17 by 18. So these are the answers. Make a note of this. Now moving on to the next question. Good, if you have done. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from the tank containing 5 male and 8 female fish. Male fish in tank 5. Female fish in tank 8. And total here outcomes or total number of fish are, that is 5 plus 8, 13. Probability that the fish taken out is a male fish. So probability of getting a male fish is equals to, again, formula. Then so it is 13, sorry, 5 by 13. This much only. Very easy. This type of easy questions we've done in 9th also. Till now there is no difference in 9th and 10th probability. Till now everything is same. Done. Now next, question number 12. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers. Okay. So it is a spinning wheel, means an arrow. So consists of spinning an arrow. So here there is an arrow. We have to spin the arrow, and the arrow can land on any of the number. And we have all different numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what is the probability that it will point at number 8? So how many times number 8 is given here? Only one time. Okay, so 1 divided by total numbers present here. So how? Let us start. Total outcomes in this is 8. Number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the first case, probability of getting a number 8 is equals to, again, same thing. Write down the formula again. Then, so how many times 8 is given here? One time. So answer is 1 by 8. No, we have not to write in every part the same formula. Only in one part we have to write the formula, Pranchu. Okay. So first part is done. In second part, probability of getting an odd number. So number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8. That is 1 by 2. You can write here which odd numbers you have considered. Means in your knowledge, what are the odd numbers? Just write it here like this. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. If you don't want the board examiner to cut your marks. Then after this, number greater than 2. Number greater than 2. Number greater than 2 are 6. So 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4, and simple. Then next, number less than 9. Number less than 9 are all of the numbers, because all are less than 9. So 8 by 8, and the probability here is 1. I hope it is clear. Done. Now the next question. Question number 13. Note it down. Done. Next. 13. A die is thrown once. Die here means that Ludo dice. Okay. A die is thrown once. Find the probability that you get a prime number when you throw a dice. Okay. So total outcomes are, in die we have 6 numbers in total, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These counting numbers. Then after that, prime numbers, probability that you get a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, and 3. So I'll write here 3 by 6, or you can say 1 by 2. Just write here prime numbers here are 2, 3, and 5. These numbers we have considered. Then probability that a number lying between 2 and 6. These are very clear, 3, 4, 5. So only 3 numbers are lying between 2 and 6. Then this is the first part. Then the second part. Now starting with the third part, odd number. Again, odd numbers are also 3. So answer is again 1 by 2. Done. Make a note of this. Then the next. The next question is important. The question on cards. Many of you might be know about cards, and ninth also you have done questions on this, playing cards. So let me discuss about cards first of all, then we'll start with these questions. 14 question is all about cards. So before starting with this question, question number 14, let us talk about cards. Just write the same in your notebook also. Right here, cards. Write on a new page in your notebook, cards. So how many total number of cards are there? 52. And these 52 are divided into two groups of 26 and 26, where 26 are red and 26 are black. I know. So these black cards include two more divisions of 13 and 13, 13 spades, spades, and 13 of clubs. Signs, let me tell you regarding the symbol. The symbol is like this: spades and clubs. Something like this. Okay, and here also we have two divisions of 13 and 13 each. 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. Hearts, as you all know the shape, and diamonds like this. Okay, so they have 13 spades now. Then 13 spades are numbered like this. First is ace, we call it A, that is ace. Then say 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after this it is J, that is jack, then Q, that is queen, then the last K, that is king. From A to K, so these are all the 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, in the same manner, these are repeated here also. And with the same manner, they are repeated here also. And in the same manner, they are repeated here also. Where these will be red cards. Okay, now how many 2 are there? 4. Now I'm just asking you some questions you have to answer, okay, in your mind, to you all only. How many number 2 are there? 4. So how many black 2s are there? 2. How many red 2s are there? 2, obviously. How many 2 of hearts are there? Only 1. If we are talking about any particular category, then that is only 1 card. Okay, if I'm talking about jack of hearts, then that is only 1. Okay, if I'm talking about red jack of red color, then we have 2. Jack of black color, then we have 2. In this way, you should know the categorization of the cards. Clear? Now, how many cards we have? Black, that is 26. Come to this. These are all black cards. And these are all red cards. Okay, now see one more thing. These cards are known as face cards. So how many face cards are there? How many face cards are there? 12. Okay, let me talk about face cards now after this. So we have 6 black face cards plus 6 red face cards. Fine, no, sorry, black. So these 6 face cards are black. Why we call it face card? Because if you have seen the playing cards, then jack, queen, and king faces are made on that. Okay, kind of this. So that's why these are known as face cards. So there are total of 12 face cards, 6 black and 6 red, and they are jack, queen, and king only. Clear? Just note it down in your notebook. Rest we'll discuss in the question. If I'm talking about king of clubs, then only one. If I'm talking about 10 of clubs, then only one. If I'm talking about any category, then we have only one card in that. Okay. In one category, we have all the cards with different numbers. Okay. Moving on to the question now, question number 14. Is it done? Now let us talk on this. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Right? Total number of cards, or we say total outcomes, that is 52. And probability that a king of red color. And first it is king of red color. Any card, any particular card of red color are 2, and of black color also 2. So king means k of red color are 2 in number. So probability that if you draw a card at random, then you get a king of red color. So there are 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Done. Now second, a face card. So how many face cards are there? This I have told you now, just now, 12. So probability of getting a face card, that is 12 by 52. 4 threes are and 4 13s are. Third is a red face card. So how many red face cards are there? 6, and 6 black face card. So probability of getting a red face card, that is 6 by 52. Cut by 2, we'll get 3 by 26. Then fourth, jack of hearts. So I have told you, if you are talking about any category like hearts, diamond, clubs and spades, then we have only one card. Okay, then jack of hearts or 10 of hearts or 9 of hearts, all are one. So probability of getting jack of hearts, this probability is the least probability, 1 by 52. Then fifth point of this, a spade. So how many spades we have in playing cards? All are 13 13. This is the category. So probability of getting spade, that is 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. After this, queen of diamonds. Queen of diamonds, that is also 1. So probability of getting a queen of diamonds, that is 1 by 52. Note it down. Now the next question. An important question. Five cards. Now there are only 5 cards, so I'm highlighting this line. Five cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, and King and Ace of Diamonds. So all these 5 cards are of the same category, diamonds. Okay, are well shuffled with their face downwards. Their faces are downwards, so means we can't see the card. The one card is then picked up at random. One card is picked out of them. What is the probability that the card is a queen? How many queens are there in this? Only one. Total outcomes are only 5 in this question. And that is 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace of Diamonds. These all are of diamonds. Now, probability of getting a queen. There is only one queen in this. Do not say that the queens are 4. It is 4 in 52 cards, but out of these 5 cards, we have only one queen. Now, the second case. Now, if the queen is drawn and put aside, so let me write this. I have not written the formula here. You have to write the formula also. Number of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So that is 1 by 5. Then after this, no, if the queen is drawn and put aside, suppose when we have drawn in the first case a card, and suppose we drawn the queen out of the 5 cards, then if the queen is drawn and put aside, now we have put the queen aside, then how many cards are left? Only 4 cards are left now. Now if the queen is put aside, then total outcomes are only 4. What is the probability that second card picked up is an ace? So probability of getting an ace now. So how many A's are there? 1 out of 4. What is the probability of getting a queen now? There is no queen in the card as we have put that aside. So 0 out of 4. 0. Note it down. If you have any doubt or confusion, you can ask. After this, the next question. So how, Pranshu is asking, sir, how is 1 by 4? How many cards are there? Pranshu, just tell me that. In this question, how many cards are there? 5. Look here, it is written if the queen is drawn and put aside. If the queen is put aside, you have not mixed the queen in the card. Now number of cards left are only 4. Okay, so that's why 1 by 4. In the same way, queen is put aside, queen is not in this card, that's why 0 by 4. Now the next question. "12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. So good pens 132, defective pens are 12. Total pens or outcomes, that is 132 plus 12, that is 144. One pen is taken out at random. Find the probability that pen taken out is a good pen. So probability of getting a good pen out of this is number of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Okay, so favorable are 132 and total are 144, and cut by 12 you'll get 11 by 12. Listen to the announcement very carefully. Tomorrow, instead of Hindi lecture, there will be mathematics lecture at 1 p.m. So there will be 2 lectures tomorrow, at 12 and at 1 of maths. Tomorrow is Thursday, no? Yes, also tomorrow. There are 2 lectures. 12 noon and 1 p.m. mathematics lecture tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow we'll be able to complete this in 1 lecture, and the next lecture will start with the next chapter. Bye. Take care.